Hello students, we are doing chapter number 14, mensuration, exercise 14.2. In last video we have done till question number 8 and today we are starting from question number 9. 4 square flower beds of side 1 meter 50 centimeter are dug on a rectangular piece of land 8 meter long and 6 meter 50 centimeter wide. What is the area of the remaining part of the land? So according to the question, our land piece is there, length is 8 meter and breadth is 6 meter 50 centimeter. On this piece of land we have to make 4 flower bed. Anywhere we can make these 4 flower bed and each flower bed dimension is 1 meter 50 centimeter by 1 meter 50 centimeter. It is in the form of square. So 4 squares are there such type and we have to find out the remaining area. This remaining area we have to find out. So from this total land we have to remove these flower buds area. So first we will find out the area of total land. For this land piece, length is given 8 meter and breadth is given 6 meter 50 centimeter, which we can change into meter and we can write it as 6.5 centimeter. Sorry, meter it is 6.5 meter. Now we will find out the area of land. Length into breadth because it is in the shape of rectangle. So we will get here 8 into 6.5 is equal to 52 meter square. Now we will find out the area for one flower bed. That is 1 meter 50 centimeter into 1 meter 50 centimeter. So this 1 meter 50 centimeter also we can change into meter. So we can write it as 1.5 meter into 1.5 meter. So you will get here 2.25 meter square. Now the area of 4 flower bed, because here we have 4 flower beds. So area of 4 flower beds is equal to 4 into 2.25 and after multiplication we will get 9 meter square. Now the remaining area means from the total land we will subtract these 4 flower bed. Remaining area is equal to land area minus flower bed area. Land area total we got 52 and this is 9. 52 minus 9 is equal to 43 meter square. Next question number 10. How many tiles whose length and breadth are 12 centimeter and 5 centimeter respectively will be needed to cover a rectangular region whose length and breadth are given? So first part, length is given here 70 centimeter and breadth is given 36 centimeter. This is for the floor where we have to put the tiles, and for one tile dimension is given 12 centimeter by 5 centimeter. So all the units are in centimeter. We can start our solution. So area of floor is equal to length into breadth because it is in the shape of rectangle, 70 into 36 centimeter square, and area of one tile is equal to again length into breadth, which is 12 into 5 centimeter square. Now we have to find out the number of tiles. Number of tiles is equal to area of floor divided by area of one tile. So here this multiplication is not necessary to do. Directly we can substitute these values here, 70 into 36 and by 12 into 5, because later on it will cancel out, so no need to waste your time for multiplication. You can cancel 12 3s are 36 and 5 1s are 5 and 5 1 and 4. 14 into 3 will get 42 tiles. Second part, when floor area is given 144 centimeter and 1 meter. So in this case you can see the unit, one is in centimeter, another one is in meter. So first we have to change it into the same unit. So this meter also we will change into centimeter. So floor area will be 1 centimeter by 100 centimeter. First we will find out the area of floor, equal to 144 into 100 centimeter square, and area of one tile, here tile size is same as last part, is equal to 12 into 5 centimeter square. Now we have to find out the number of tiles. Number of tiles is equal to area of floor divided by area of one tile. So here also we will not multiply, we will substitute these values like this only, and then we will do the cancellation. You can cancel 12 1s are and 12 2s are 24, 5 20 times 12 into 2, 240 tiles. Next, question number 11. The area of a rectangular plot is given 340 square meter. If its breadth is 17 meter, find the length and its perimeter. So here area is given. We will start from the area. Area is equal to 340 meter square, and area formula is length into breadth is equal to 340. Length we have to find out, and breadth is given 17 meter, which is equal to 340. And unit also you need to check, it is in meter and this is in meter square. So this 17, now we can shift another side, it will go for division. Can cancel out 17 to the 34 and 0 as it is. It means the length of this park is 20 meter. Then we have to find out the perimeter. Perimeter is equal to 2L plus B, 220 plus 17, 2 into 37, and then we will get 54 meter. Sorry, we will get 74 meter. Next, question number 12. If the area of a rectangular plot is 144 meter square and its length is 16 meter, find the breadth of the rectangular park and the cost of fencing at the rate of 6 rupees per meter. So area is given. With the help of this area and length, we have to find out the breadth and then cost of fencing. So first we will find out the breadth. Area is equal to 144 meter square, it is given. Area formula is length into breadth is equal to 144. Length is given 16 and breadth we have to find out. This 16 we can shift another side, it will go for division. Divided by 16 and cancel out, will get 9 here. So breadth is equal to 9 meter. So to find out the cost of fencing, we need to find out first perimeter. So perimeter of land is equal to 2L plus B, 2 into 16 plus 9, and 16 plus 9 is 25, and we'll get here 50 meter. So perimeter is 50 meter. Cost of fencing will be For 1 meter we have to pay 6 rupees. So for 50 meter we have to pay 50 into 6, which is equal to 300 rupees. Next question number 13. The perimeter of a square is equal to the perimeter of a rectangle of length 17 meter and the breadth 11 meter. Find the area of the square. So here the perimeter of square and rectangle is same. So this condition is given. We will start from here. Perimeter of square is equal to perimeter of rectangle. If we take one side of a square is equal to a, then perimeter will be 4a. And for rectangle, length and breadth, if we apply the formula, then it will be 2l plus b. So 4a is equal to l and b is given. We can substitute 17 plus 11. 4a equal to 2 into 28 equal to 56. And this 4, if we shift another side, we will get 56 by 4. After cancellation, we will get 14 meter. It means each side of this square is 14 meter. And after getting the side, we can find out the area of square. Therefore, area of square is equal to side into side, a into a, 14 into 14 is equal to 196 meter square. Next, question number 14. A rectangle has same area as that of a square of side 10 meter. If the breadth of rectangle is 8 meter, find the perimeter of the rectangle. So area of rectangle and area of square is same. We will start from this point only. Area of rectangle is equal to area of square. Whatever the condition is given in question, from that we have to start. So area of rectangle formula is length into breadth, and area of square formula is side into side. Length here we have to, it is given here 8 meter, sorry, breadth is given, length we have to find out. So length is not given, breadth is given 8, and each side of this is given 10 into 10. So length is equal to 10 into 10 by 8. We can shift another side, and now you can cancel 2 4 ja and 2 5 ja, and 2 4 2 ja and 4 5 ja. 25 by 2, which is equal to 12.5 meter. So length we got here 12.5 meter. Now we have to find out the perimeter of the rectangle. So perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2l plus b. Length is 12.5 plus breadth is 8. 2 into 20.5, which you will get equal to 41 meter. Next, question number 15. Split the following shapes into rectangle and find out their area. Measures are in centimeter. So these figure we can divide into 2 or 3 parts based on the question, and then we can add up and find out their area. So this figure you can divide like this also, or you can divide like this also. If I divide like this, then this is the first rectangle and this is the second rectangle. Now for first rectangle, length is 12 and breadth is 2, and for this second rectangle we will take here till here. So length is 8 and width is 2. So area of first rectangle equal to length into breadth, 12 into 2, we will get 24 centimeter square. And area of second rectangle also length into breadth, length is 8 and 8 into 2, 16 centimeter square. So total area will be the sum of these two, 24 plus 16. We will get 40 centimeter square. Second figure, you can see here all the dimension are given 7 7, so we can split out it like this. And you can see we have here, this is one square, 7 into 7, all the sides are 7. This is also square, 7 7. This opposite side also will be 7. So total we have 1 2 3 4 and 5 squares we got here. So total area will be 5 into area of 1 square, because same type we have 5 squares, so we can multiply with 5. And area of 1 square is side into side, each side is 7, 7 into 7. We can multiply 7 into 7, 49, and 49 into 5, 245 centimeter square. Next, third figure. This figure we can split out like this. We have one rectangle here, another rectangle here. So area of first rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Length is here 5 and breadth is 1. So 5 into 1, we will get 5 centimeter square. Now for this another rectangle, we will find out area of rectangle 2. For this, length is given 4, breadth we have to find out. So you can see here this total is 5. 2 this side and 2 this side we have to remove. So 5 minus 2 means this remaining here to here it is 1. It means the breadth of this rectangle is 1. So 4 into 1, we will get 4 centimeter square. So total area will be 5 plus 4 is equal to 9 centimeter square. So this exercise is completed. Hope you understood these questions. Thank you for watching this video.